of the Beauxbaton Academy of Magic! Friends from the north, please greet the proud sons of the Durmstrang Institute! Get your cameras ready. We will pose for a group photograph, but first, let's hear one more round of applause. Ah, yes, go on then. Really loud so the Durmstrang can hear you. Go on then. Now, to get those cameras ready, we will get ready as well as the Durmstrang are getting ready and coming round. Do you remember that we cannot move around in muggle photographs? Who's got a muggle camera? Don't be shy. Yeah, good. All right, we'll stay really, really still for you because we know we have to get the photographs right the first time, yeah? So no moving around, brilliant. And do stick around, ladies and gentlemen, because after this, the Hogwarts School Choir has a lovely concert prepared for you, and they will be here shortly as well. Durmstrang, brilliant, thank you so much for joining us. All right, do remember to stay very still, get those cameras ready, count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Is it working? Is it looking good? Do you like it? Good. Okay, we'll do one for the wizard cameras now, so just be normal. There you are. Fantastic. Thank you all so much for joining us. Beaverton, Durmstrang, thank you, and thank you all again. Now, yes, weren't they wonderful? We've only been training forever. Now, do stick around, ladies and gentlemen. The Hogwarts School Choir will see you shortly, and we will see you later on as well. In the meantime, enjoy Hogsmeade. Cheers, everyone.